Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage door lock not connecting to Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi setup 2.4 GHz and offline fix. To fix your Schlage door lock, such as the encode or sense when it won't connect to Wi-Fi, ensure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz network. Power cycle the lock by removing the batteries for 10 seconds and check that your Wi-Fi password is under 24 characters with no special characters. If you are struggling to connect your smart lock to your network, follow these targeted troubleshooting steps. Fix 1. Verify your network and password. Schlage locks do not support 5 GHz network. So ensure your phone and router are broadcasting a 2.4 GHz signal during setup. Ensure your Wi-Fi password must be 24 characters or less, and remove any special characters, for example, $sign or sign, and spaces from your Wi-Fi password as these cause commissioning errors. Fix 2. Power cycle and soft reset. To power cycle the lock, remove the battery cover, disconnect the battery, and wait for about 10 seconds. Then reconnect the battery and give the lock up to 10 minutes to resync with your cloud or app. To reset Wi-Fi adapter, if you are using a separate Wi-Fi adapter, like the Schlage Sense BR400, unplug it, press and hold the reset button for 5 to 6 seconds, and plug it back in. Fix 3. Check app and router settings. First, uninstall the Schlage Home app, turn off your phone to clear temporary cache, and then reinstall it from your app store. Now the firewall adjustments. In some routers, aggressive firewalls can block the lock from connecting. If you're having trouble, temporarily disable router firewalls during setup, so ports 1883 and 8883 can reach the Slage cloud. Fix 4. Move closer. Bluetooth is frequently used for initial pairing. Stand within 1 meter or 3 feet of the lock while attempting to connect and ensure you are within a strong Wi-Fi range. If the signal has to pass through multiple thick walls, the lock will continually drop connection. Fix 5. Factory reset. Remove the battery cover and locate the circular black reset button in the battery compartment. Now press and hold the button for 7 to 10 seconds until the lock flashes or beeps. Once done, open the app and re-add the lock as a new device. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.